Imagine a place that has all different kinds of green and so many different colored animals like the red-eyed tree frog, leopards, jaguars, and geckos, waterfalls, vines, variety of fruits, and a lot of flowers. Imagine it. Imagine it's the rainforest. Imagine now it's gone. Hi, my name is Stevie. I am here to tell you that people are hurting the rainforest. I think we need to stop the destruction and save it. First, we need to save the rainforest because there are a lot of living things in the rainforest. We are destroying trees and plants and animal homes. Also, indigenous people live in the rainforest too. They need a home like we do. Next, we need the rainforest because the tree gives us oxygen that we need to breathe. If they get cut down, they can't produce the oxygen, and they are not absorbing the carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Last, new animals in the rainforest have been discovered, and some animals have gone extinct when we haven't even discovered them yet. They have gone extinct because of us. We are killing them by logging and hunting. Some animals are critically endangered, like elephants, tigers, beavers, panda bears, and rhinos. I think we need to save the rainforest. Some ways you can help save the rainforest is to support companies that support the rainforest, like Rainforest Connection. They build devices that when they hear chainsaws cutting down trees, people that work in the rainforest go and say that they cannot cut the tree down. Ask your family to buy foods like bananas and coffee that are grown in a sustainable way, in a way that is safe for the environment, wildlife, and for people. Don't litter, so pick up trash that you find. Lastly, tell your family and friends to help save the rainforest. Thank you for listening, and please help me save the rainforest.